Manage certificates faster. Integration with external stores for embedded transfer site passwords. New SDK to build modern UI for your custom advanced routing steps, and others are now available in SecureTransport. Hi, my name is Płamen. Join me in the next few minutes and I'll walk you through the details behind SecureTransport March 2025. This month, we updated several third-party components reported in the National Vulnerability Database, including the Apache Tomcat library. Refer to our third-party software and licenses document for the complete list. The new section in our README that will give you transparency on found issues that could affect your update. Today, our Breaking Changes section contains a single item. Please check the section before you plan an update, as we will maintain it even post-release. The Global Certificates page has been redesigned and improved with easier and transparent way of managing the certificate signing request, listing the account certificates. You can search for certificate either by subject or by its alias. We have quick filters that list immediately expired or expiring certificates. You can see all your certificates on one page as we are showing 50, 100 or 200 certificates at a time. Faster management of the key store password, and last but not least, the issuer and type are added as columns to speed up the management process. The March release is a clear demonstration of our focus on externalizing secure transport secrets. The SSH, FTP, PASIT, and HTTP transfer sites can now use the fetch function and reach out to an external store where the partner credentials are available. Check our roadmap for more information about the future implementations. On the finish line, right before making the new route package templates GA, we are publishing a new SDK. It will help you to both generate the UI for your already created custom step or for the new one you plan to make. The Advanced Routing Steps UI SDK is based on the Module Federation approach and enables users to easily create UI components. We will keep the old mechanism a bit more, so now is the time for you to migrate to the new UI. When partner connects to SecureTransport, there are various messages showing the connection and authentication phases. We are extending them for clients that use the SSH client identification string, the HTTP user agent header, or the FTP site MSG command. Axway Secure Client version 6.4 SP6 uses them to send the product name, version, and operating system related information. That helps you to monitor the version of the clients that connect to your system. Thank you for watching. If you like that video and you're looking for more of this kind or any other types of videos that will help you understand how SecureTransport works, please leave a comment under this video, and in the description of the video you can also find links from where to download and how to install the latest version of SecureTransport. See you in the next video.